Hi guys, it's Natalie, your public speaking and communication coach. Want to improve on your communication skills? I challenge you to a 30-day public speaking challenge. Project your voice. Okay, are you the sort who speaks but nobody can really hear you? Well, it's time to try and fix this in today's challenge. Let's learn how you can project your voice. 2 tips. Tip number 1, remember to breathe. Steady breathing allows for a clearer voice. Tip number 2, don't push your voice harder, make your voice bigger. If you push your voice, you'll end up making yourself hoarse and you might even damage your vocal cords. So here's how you do it. Making your voice bigger actually works better. Imagine this. Instead of pushing, imagine that your throat and your mouth are large as you want it to be. This will cause all of the muscles around the inside of your throat to pull away, just as they do when you are yawning. Remember this, the bigger the space inside, the bigger your voice outside. If you're trying out the challenge and you want to post it on social media, please use the hashtag #NKPublicSpeakingChallenge. Now, if you're watching this and you like this video, please do consider giving me a like, a comment, or even sharing. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Good luck.